Good morning, student. K-Tech School welcomes you all. So today, student, we are going to do lesson 1.3. Now, what is this lesson of? This lesson, first of all, I'm going to divide this into three parts. Okay, student, this lesson will be divided into three parts. Now, let's see the lesson. What it is about the autobiography of a great Indian buster. Who has written this? This lesson is written by Dr. Pramod Patil. Okay, student, he has written this lesson. Now, let's see what he's trying to tell us. Okay, first of all, what is the meaning of autobiography? We'll see that. Okay, student, what is the meaning of autobiography? Yes, the meaning of autobiography is an account of a person's life written by that person. Yes, that person is going to write his personal things, what he's feeling, okay, as if he's that thing only. See, on an account of a person's life written by that person only. That person is only going to write about him only. That is going to be a bird and he's going to write related to that bird, what he feels. Okay, student, got this much clear? Autobiography means writing on by its own. Okay, writing by on own. Now, see, I'll be reading this lesson. You listen carefully. Then I will explain you by showing you the pictures. Okay? Now, listen carefully. Put your fingers on the line. Lesson 1.3, Autobiography of a Great Indian Buster. Now, see, autobiography of a great Indian buster. Now, which is the heaviest flying bird in India? Well, friend, it's me, the great Indian buster. I feel proud to be known as the great Indian buster. I have more than 30 different names in various Indian languages. Okay? In Marathi, I am known as Mal Dok or whom. I can weigh up to 18 kilo and can stand up to 4 feet in height, reaching up to your shoulder or even higher. I have got a long white neck, brown wings, tall yellow legs, and a black cap on my head. My wife, Mrs. Buster, is smaller and slimmer than I am, and her neck is not white. But I have heard humans say that we both look impressive. Okay, now see, I'll be showing you the picture of this great Indian buster. Okay, and I will be explaining you. Okay, here comes that bird. See, can you see this Indian buster? Yes, this is the heaviest flying bird in India. And what's its name? Its name is Indian buster. Yes, the great Indian buster. He feels very proud. See his neck. He's feeling proud now. Can you see? Yes, he's feeling proud to be known as Indian great buster. Okay? And what he's telling us? He's telling that I have got how many names? He's got 30 different names in various Indian languages. What this Indian buster is telling? That he's got how many names? 30 different names in various Indian languages also. Okay? And in Marathi, what this bird is known as? Is known as Maldhok or whom. Okay? And what is its weight? What did it tell? How much kg he is? Yes, he is 18 kilo. What's its weight? Its weight is 18 kilo. And his height, what did he tell his heights? His height is 4 feet. Okay. So can you see? So long it is. It's 4 feet. And it when we'll stand in front of him, yes, this bird will come near our shoulder, or maybe it may be more bigger than our height. Okay. It can be more higher. Now, can you see its leg? It have got, can you see? What can you see? Can you tell me? Yes, it have got a white neck. Long white neck. Yes, can you see? White long neck. Yes. And his wings. Wings of which color? Yes, it's brown in color. Yes. And can you tell me what's the leg of that bird's leg? Yes, can you see? Yes, it is yellow in color. Its legs are yellow in color. And can you see on his head? What's there on his head? Yes, a black cap on his head. Can you see? Yes, it has got a black cap on his head. Now, the people say that my wife, Mrs. Buster, they look similar. Yes, they look similar. But are they similar? No. Her wife is little bit slimmer. Slimmer means thin, and smaller means little short. Okay, the height is little short. But what do the people say? That you both are what? You both look same. Impressive means same. Okay, student. Now the next layer, next part. Okay, next paragraph will go. Now listen. I live on grassland and desert along with my other friends. Now, which are his friends? Which are included with him? Yes, Chinkara. First is Chinkara. Second is the black bug. And third is the lark. And what does it eat? I eat everything. He eats everything, including what are included in his food? Snake, lizard, small fruits and berries and all sorts of insects that are very healthy habit. But grasshoppers and beetles are my favorite food item. Yes, I'll show you all the pictures of this animals. Okay, let's see. First is what? Yes, first is Chinkara. Doesn't it look like a deer? But no, deer have got how many thorns? They have got 11 horns on their head. But does this Chinkara have? No, it's just having 2 horns. Okay, got this Chinkara. Next is what? Black bug. See, can you see this black? So it is called as black bug. Okay, and next is what? What is the next one? Is the lark. Yes, this is it looks like a sparrow, but sparrow is different and this lark is different. Don't get confused in this sparrow and this lark. Okay, student, it look like same, but they are totally different. Okay. Now, what does they eat? What are their food included? Yes, what food? First is the snake. Yes, snake is included in their food. Yes, this lizard also, they like eating lizard also. And what else? Can you tell me? What is this? Yes, small fruits. Okay. And what else? These fruits and these berries. And what else? Can you tell me? See in your textbook and tell me. Yes, what? What are these? Yes, these are all sorts of insects. All small sorts of insects they like to eat. But which is the healthiest food? What is telling? The healthiest food is what? What they like the best is the what? Yes, is the grasshopper. They like the grasshopper. And what else? What else? Just see. Yes, what else? What is this? Yes, beetles. Beetles means small insects only. They are their favorite food item. Which food they like? Which? What is this? Yes, a grasshopper. Don't you get scared when it comes? Now, rarely we can see these grasshoppers, but they are there. Don't you feel scared? Yes. You just close your nose, na? Grasshopper is coming. You shout, close your nose, karke. Yes, this is the grasshopper. And what else? The beetles. Okay. Got student over here? All the animals. I'll just show you the animals once again. Should I show you? Okay, wait. What is this? Snake. They like eating snake. What is this? Lizard. Yes. Very good. Very good. And next is what? All these small fruits. They like eating. Isn't it? And what else next? Next is what? Tell me fast. What is this? Yes, all sorts of small insects they like eating. And which is the favorite food? Favorite food? Yes, what is this? A grasshopper. Yes, they like eating grasshopper. And what else? This beetles. Okay, student, they are their favorite food items. You don't even you like na Chinese noodles, huh? Like that also, these animals also, they like their different food. Okay, student, got this? Till here will do for today only. Okay? Okay, student, is the lesson clear till here? The next second part will do next week. Okay, student? Okay, got? Till here the lesson is clear now? It is regarding the animal. This lesson is regarding the animal. Okay? You can see all the animals in this lesson. Okay, student? Okay? Thank you.